Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine the first part of format feature number 2, paragraph styles, for the Google Doc series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on format and hover over paragraph styles, there are quite a few options that appear. For this video, I'm going to focus on borders and shading. When I click on borders and shading, the menu here appears. I can now insert a border with the customizations available, or I can change the background color for my text separate from the border by clicking on this option. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to insert a border that would encase all of my text. Now that I have made my selections, I'm going to click Apply, and as can be seen, a border has appeared within my Google Doc. This border will expand as I type more in the Google Doc. So the border feature within Google Docs functions a little bit differently than from what you might have experienced in other word processors. In some other word processors, borders simply line the margins of the document, whereas within Google Docs, the border functions more like a text box that continually expands. If I need to remove my border, all I have to do is highlight all of my text within it, click on Format, hover over Paragraph Styles, and then click on Borders and Shading. What I now need to do is click on Reset, and then click Apply, and as can be seen, the border has been removed from my Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.